berry pickers that I'm making, and one there that I use, and this one here that I'm making now. So now I'm making the rake. But this is a piece of juniper, large, and I got some pieces of wire. Actually, it's not wire, it's stuff out of the grate in the fridge. I just cut them off the length, rounded the edges of them so they wouldn't hook. Cut them all the same length, and drill out some holes. And you got to have them big, not too big, so a blueberry go through or anything. And that's it. So this piece here is going to glue onto the right here. Now you can put them in there, but you need a little lip to keep the blueberries in. Actually, this is my setup for drilling holes. So I just place this in, mark off the increments that you need on it, and place it into the ice, and move it whatever distance you need, and have the settings so it'll only go down so far. Setting on there, and drill each hole so it comes out pretty straight and nice. This is the rake that I'm making there now for a blueberry picker. So just take those things out. Looks like welding rods. There's a piece of wire, so I got to make up some. I'm using epoxy to pour in those little things. It's 50-50. Epoxy. My little screwdriver now, that's what I use. This one right here. I just mix up that epoxy here now. Put that down in the holes, or a little bit of it in the holes anyway. Five-minute epoxy. This is called 5-minute epoxy. My glasses. So I just put a little bit in each hole. Make sure you get some of it on top of the holes. Gotta go down in the hole. And when he gets it on top, it'll run into the holes, hopefully. This got to be done fairly quick. Now you need your rake chummies. You just insert them like this. Now some of them might be a little bit longer than others, so it might not be right down, like this one right here. Okay, so that looks good. Now you just take what's left of this stuff and just run it along the edge there. That's all I do. On both sides. Okay, that's done. Now we need 2 pieces of wood, little pieces like this, and a big clamp, one fairly big clamp. And you'll see what the idea of this is. Or it's just to keep everything on the up and up, straight and narrow. So now make sure that they're all lined up. You may have a bit of work. Like you may have to move them in a wee bit. That looks pretty darn good to me. So just put it back in place and leave it there for a while. Whew. Clamps are hard to do when you get older, boy. Now, how did that look? It looks pretty good. Right now there's a bug catcher. Look at all the bugs. I don't know what they are, but anyway, they're big bugs. So I gotta remove this now in some other location. By the other one probably. Pretty foggy this morning. It's September the 4th, I believe, or 3rd, I'm not sure. He just discovered blueberries. Good boy. Oh, you like some, do you? Hey, hello, boy Jiggy. You know, you can eat them out of the chummy, look, out of the stalk. There. There. Right there. There. Come on. There, Jake. Come on. Oh. There. Atta boy. Good dog. Atta boy, Jiggy. Yeah. There, Jake. Yeah. Right there, look. There, look. There. There. Good boy. Eat them. Good Jiggy. Eat the berries. Atta boy. A gallon there, and 2 gallons down there this morning, so that's 3 gallons I got there. Anyway, and dodge out somewhere.